What's up, everybody? Welcome again to Capital Expansion Insights. We are back with another video to help you level up your money game. Today, we're talking about saving, the cornerstone of financial freedom. Saving isn't just about stashing away a few bucks, it's about building a solid foundation for your future. We're talking about having the peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything life throws your way. Whether you're dreaming of buying your dream house, retiring early, or just having financial security, saving is essential. I'll walk you through actionable strategies that have helped millions achieve their financial goals. We'll cover budgeting, finding hidden money, and making your savings work for you. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. Look, I get it. Saving money might not sound exciting, especially when you're young and have a million things you'd rather spend on. But saving isn't about depriving yourself, it's about giving yourself options. What if your car breaks down or you lose your job? These situations can derail your finances. With a healthy savings account, these unexpected events become minor speed bumps. Saving isn't just about preparing for the worst-case scenario, it's about setting yourself up for success. Imagine putting a down payment on your dream home or retiring early because you've been saving and investing. It gives you control over your life, finances, and future. Even small, consistent savings can add up to huge amounts over time thanks to compound interest. Saving money is essential. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Take control of your finances today to live the life you want tomorrow. Alright, so we've established that saving is crucial, but how do you make it happen? One effective method is the 50-30-20 budget rule. It's a roadmap for your money, ensuring it goes where it needs to without feeling restrictive. Divide your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Needs include rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt payments. Wants cover entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and shopping. Be mindful of your spending and prioritize. Finally, 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. At least 5% should go towards an emergency fund. The remaining 15% can pay down high-interest debt, invest, or save for specific goals. This method helps you manage your money effectively. Start budgeting like a boss today. Let's talk about the financial safety net everyone needs, the emergency fund. This is your financial fortress, protecting you from life's unexpected curveballs. Without an emergency fund, you're forced to rely on credit cards or high-interest loans. The general rule is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. Start by setting a realistic savings goal each month. Increase your savings rate with raises or bonuses. Find creative ways to boost your savings, like selling unused items or picking up a side hustle. Building an emergency fund takes discipline, but it's crucial for your financial well-being. Cutting expenses doesn't mean sacrificing all the things you enjoy. It's about being smart with your money and finding those little leaks. Eating out can destroy your budget. Try cooking at home more often. Review your subscriptions. Cancel those you don't use. Use cashback and discount apps to earn money while shopping. Lower your energy consumption to save on utility bills. Automate your savings to ensure you're consistently putting money aside. These small changes can add up to big savings over time. Now let's talk about where to stash your hard-earned cash. A regular savings account is a great option for your emergency fund. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates but may have restrictions. Certificates of deposit, CDs, offer fixed interest rates for a set period. Investment accounts are for long-term growth but come with risks. The best place to keep your savings depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Start with a regular or high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. As you accumulate more savings, explore other options like CDs or investment accounts. Conclusion: you're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to start building a solid financial future. It's all about taking small, consistent steps today to reap big rewards tomorrow. Building a solid financial foundation takes time, effort, and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. The peace of mind, freedom, and opportunities are within your reach. Share your best saving strategies in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Master Money, expand your future.